Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So in my last video, I installed a carbon fiber spoiler on the back of this car, but in today's video, I want to clean up the back a little more, so I'm actually going to debadge some of the emblems on the trunk, and I'm also going to replace the Audi logo with a glossed black Audi emblem. I think it's just going to make the car look so much cleaner, especially once I put the diffuser on and I'm going to tint the taillights. So let me go ahead, show you the process. So all three emblems are held on by double-sided tape. I'm just going to heat it up with a heat gun and saw it away with a fishing string, and that's it. I'm going to take these two off first, and then this one I'm going to replace with a gloss black emblem. I'm going to start by using a heat gun to heat up the double-sided tape. Now I'm going to use some fishing string to saw away at the emblem. Next, I'm going to use a drill with a rubber eraser wheel to erase off all the excess double-sided tape. And then for any leftover residue, I'm going to use some Goo Gone to wipe it clean. And the last step is some isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure everything is completely clean. And now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. So for the top emblem, since I'm going to be changing it out to a black one, I'm going to tape around it so I know where to put the new emblem after I take this chrome one off. So here's the new emblem, nice and gloss black. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the backing to expose the double-sided tape, and I'm just going to mount it right in the center of the trunk.
Perfect.
So here's the final results. There's no more emblems. There's a nice gloss Audi emblem, and it just looks super clean. I like it a lot. Well, what do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. It's super clean, nice gloss black Audi logo that just matches the dark carbon fiber spoiler. And soon I'm gonna install the diffuser on the bottom that's black, also black quad tips, and I'm gonna tint the taillights. So that whole rear end of this car is gonna look awesome. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.